Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can change your phone number on Instagram. Let's dive in. First of all, you open your Instagram app. When you get to the home page like this, then you go to the profile section of your account. When you get there, then you see the three button that is on the top right hand corner of your app. When you click on it, then you see the option that says account center. When you click on account center, then you see the option that says personal details. Click on personal details, and then you see where your details are added. Click on contact info. You click on the contact info, it will bring all your details. So you can click on the phone number that is already added here. So from there, you can see the option that says delete number. When you click on delete number, it will prompt you that if you delete this number, your two-factor authentication will no longer function because it is connected to your phone number. So if you have removed the phone number, so that means you will need to add another phone number before you can continue the two-factor authentication, unless you are using the authenticator app as your two-factor authentication method. So when you click on delete number, it will take you to a page where a code will be sent to the email that is attached to your account. You click the code, you enter the code here. When you enter the code, you click on continue. Once you click on continue, that means your phone number has now been removed successfully. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.